Hello beautiful people and welcome to another video. I hope you all are having an amazing day. If this is your first time here, then my name is Eleftheria and I'm doing some FreeCodeCamp Challenges. I'm currently doing the Regex, and before that I did the Flexbox and the Grid. If you want to check them out, I will leave them in the description box. And I think that we are ready to start. So far, I've done 3 more videos in regular expressions, so this could be the 4th one, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm not going to finish today, so stay tuned as more videos will come about regular expressions. Okay, let's do this. Maths, all letters and numbers. Using character classes, you were able to search for all letters of the alphabet with A through Z. This kind of character class is common enough that there is a shortcut for it, although it includes a few extra characters as well. The closest character class in JavaScript to match the alphabet is W, and this shortcut is equal to A through Z, AZ, and 0 through 9, and this line there. This character class matches upper and lower cases plus numbers. Note this character class also includes the underscore character. So you have an example of everything that it may include with letters and numbers. These shortcut character classes are also known as shorthand character classes. Okay. Now what we have to do is to use the shorthand character class W to count the number of alphanumeric characters in various quotes and strings. Okay, so let's go to the second line, and I think that the only thing I have to do is to use the W character to check for what it asks us. But okay, no, I also have to use the G flag, and it says here in the right part, your Regex should use the global flag. So actually that was easy, but I didn't read everything. Okay, let's continue with match everything but letters and numbers. So you can search for the opposite of W with W, which is in caps lock, and note the opposite pattern uses a capital letter. This shorthand is the same as note A through Z, or 0 through 9. And again, we have an example here. So I think that W is the opposite of W with capital. Use the shorthand character class W to count the numbers of non-alphabetic characters in various quotes and strings. Okay, I guess we also got this one. So I'm going to have a W and then again a G, and I'm going to test this one, and it's correct. Yay! Now we did the characters, so it's time for the numbers, I guess. And the shortcut to look for digit characters is /d with lowercase d. This is equal to the character class A through 9, which looks for a single character of any number between 0 and 9. Use the shorthand character class d to count how many digits are in movie titles. Write out number 6 instead of 6. Do not count. Okay, I think that is correct, right? So I will use the D, probably is like this with the G flag, but let me test it, and again it's correct. And as far as I can see, we have a capital D. So before that we have a W, a capital W, then a D for digits, and this capital D, which actually shows the shortcut to look for non-digit characters is D. This is equal to the character class note 0 through 9, which looks for a single character that is note and number between 0 and 9. Use the shorthand character class for known digits, D capital, to count how many known digits are in movie titles. Okay, I think that we also got this one. I'm going to use the capital D and then again the G flag. Okay, let's do one more challenge. And this is going to be the restrict possible usernames. Okay, this seems a bit harder, right? Usernames are used everywhere on the internet. They are what give users a unique identity of their favorite sites. you need to check all the usernames in a database. Here are some simple rules that users have to follow when creating their username. 1. The only numbers in the username have to be at the end. There can be 0 or more of them at the end. Username letters can be lowercase and uppercase. 3. Usernames have to be at least 2 characters long. A 2-letter username can only use alphabet letter characters. Change the regex user check to fit the constraints listed above. Okay, I'm not sure that I got everything this time, but again, I'm going to the second line. Okay, I'm going to delete this one and have my brackets. And again, I'm going to read the first one, which says the only numbers in the username have to be at the end. That doesn't really help. There can be 0 or more of them at the end. If it says 0 or more, I can understand that I need the plus symbol. So let's continue to the second one. Username letters can be lowercase and uppercase. So for lowercase and uppercase, I'm going to have like A through Z and A through Z again. Okay. Usernames have to be at least 2 characters long. So if I need 2 characters and they can be capital or the opposite, then I think I will need my brackets, and again A through Z and A through Z. And then a 2-letter username can only use alphabet letter characters. I think that this will do the trick, but maybe I'm not sure, because for the first one that it talks about only numbers. I haven't done anything specifically. So anyway, let's test this. And it is correct. Yay, I'm so happy about this. Okay guys, this will be my last challenge for this video, but stay tuned as more of them are coming. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and in the description box I will also leave the link for FreeCodeCamp. See you in the next video. Bye!